Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with chrome alloy rims, a dark gray fabric interior, as well as integrated reverse camera. Now onto the interior of the Ram. We'll take a look at a few of the interior features, starting off with our door panel. We have our chrome door handle, a little fabric inlay with leather and then a wood trim piece on top. Window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in option, speaker and storage lower down. And on the side of the seat we have power seat adjustment with lumbar support. Off to the left of the steering wheel we have our lighting settings, as well as our pedal adjustment and park brake. Gauge cluster with screen in the middle. Controls for the screen are found on the left side of the steering wheel. On the right we have our cruise control, the updated Ram badge in the middle, start stop button, and we have our gear selection stalk and four-wheel drive system. Above our infotainment screen we have a charging outlet. The screen features a few features. We have our phone, radio, applications, and compass. We also have our integrated reverse camera. Below we have some more radio controls and climate controls, traction control, and towing option. We can see underneath we have a good amount of power outlets. Center area here features two cup holders. We have our key here, little Ram badge, padded leather center console lid, and more storage on the inside. This also folds up to become a third seat up front. The front seats are featured in dark gray fabric with some gray stitching, and then a tech pattern in the lower portion of the seat. Above the rear view mirror we have our rear sliding window controls, a sunglass holder, and our dome lights. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our 1500 Hemi badging, nice metallic flakes in the paint. We have our chrome alloy rims with Ram badge center caps, as well as our Ram badge feature on the side in chrome. Chrome on our door handles. And then around to the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome rear bumper, Bighorn badging, as well as 4x4 badging, the updated Ram badge on the back, and dual exhaust, and a paint match truck bed. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Ram, we'll take a look at the rear door panel. You can see we have our chrome door handle, fabric inlay and wooden trim, same as the front, with our padded leather armrest, window switch, speaker, and storage. You can see just how much foot room there is back in the rear. Then back of the center console or front seat, we have our vents for the rear passengers and storage. The rear seats are also featured in the same dark gray with gray stitching and our tech pattern. Then we have the fold-out center seat featuring two cup holders and an armrest. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Dodge Ram 1500. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.